Unlock the power of perfectly timed shots with your Canon Eos Rp's hidden self-timer. Let's dive into using your camera's self-timer, essential for those amazing self-portraits and snagging everyone in the frame for group photos. First, we need to access the shooting menu. Press the menu button on the back of your camera. Use the directional buttons or the cross keys to scroll down and find the shooting function set option. It usually looks like a camera icon. Press the set button to enter this menu. Navigate to drive mode and press set again. Here you'll see several icons. We're looking for the one with the clock symbol. This is your self-timer. Select the self-timer icon by pressing set. Now, you'll have options for the delay. The most common is the 10-second delay, giving you ample time to get into position. You can also choose a 2-second delay for faster reactions, or even set a custom delay if needed by selecting the custom option and choosing your preferred countdown. Once you've selected your delay, press the shutter button halfway to focus, then fully to start the countdown. You'll see the red self-timer light on the front of your camera start to blink, and you might hear it beep indicating the timer is active. After the selected delay, your Eos Rp will capture the image. This is perfect for including yourself in family photos or getting a steady shot for dramatic landscapes. Experiment with different positions and compositions. The self-timer opens up a world of creative possibilities. Now you're ready to capture those perfectly timed memories.